Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to trade crypto on Binance US. First, you will need to set up your account. Begin by registering with your email address and creating a strong, unique password of at least 8 characters, including 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. Next, complete the identity verification process by providing your personal information and uploading a government-issued identification. Finally, enable two-factor authentication, such as an authenticator app or SMS, to add an essential layer of security to your account. This ensures your assets are well protected from unauthorized access. Once your account is set up and verified, the next step is to fund it. You can link your bank account using ACH for direct deposits of US dollars. Alternatively, you can deposit a wide range of cryptocurrencies from an external wallet or another exchange. Binance US does not charge fees for crypto deposits. Remember that fiat deposits, like those made via ACH, might have a holding period of around 7 days before you can withdraw them, so plan accordingly for your trading activities. With funds in your account, you are ready to place your first trade. Binance US offers several order types. A market order executes immediately at the best available current price, ideal for quick trades. For more control, a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Your trade will only execute when that price is met. You can also utilize advanced options, like stop limit orders, to manage potential losses, or trailing stop orders to secure profits as prices move favorably. Effective portfolio management and robust security are crucial for crypto trading. Always review your transaction history and account activity regularly to spot any unusual movements. Binance US employs strong security measures, including storing most assets in cold wallets offline and offering withdrawal whitelisting, which lets you specify trusted addresses for transfers. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable multiple two-factor authentication methods. Staying informed about security best practices will help protect your investments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.